Okay guys, we are getting started, second part of the second stream. We skipped the last one because I had a Discord talk with amazing people that built they are behind the yarn paper, which introduced 128,000 token context lengths for large language models. That was super exciting. If you want to join the server. I'll probably upload the video to my YouTube channel, so if you missed it, you can still watch it. Having said that, let me just open the live chat and let's get started where we stopped the last time, and that was here. We were still trying to validate that locally downloaded files have the same number of lines as what the Opus website reports. So let's just quickly finish that, and we're done with Croatian data. And we don't have too much work left to wrap up Serbian and Bosnian as well. So I think we're doing a great job. Let's continue. Here is this. Let me just put this on the side. Okay, let's continue with the data set. So we stopped here. I think there was a discrepancy between this one. So it says 6,000 lines for us and 0.2 million here. So let's download the Moses file. Let me before that open my VS Code and let's just delete this. Wait just a second, what is this? Okay, we can delete this one, and we can also delete the actual zip. Okay, with that out of the way, minimize the windows and cancel this and trigger the download. So again, this one, download. Let me open up the project. Just a second. So home projects, NLLB, Versec, and then examples. Hey Sergey, how are you doing, man? Yeah, I did chat with some of the authors, so always trying to find smart people. NLLB. Let me see what else. Data. Here. Okay. Let's quickly extract this one, and let's open it up in VS Code. Not in Stopes, but instead Versec. Okay, and here it is. This is the Croatian dataset. Let's open up this one. COVID. Let's see how many lines. 6,600. So there is definitely a discrepancy between what they're reporting versus what we actually have. Let me just note that somewhere. Okay. Where is this one? I'm not seeing this dataset. Because I didn't load everything. Just a second. So here it is. Again, big discrepancy. They report 0.2 million is reported, but we have only 6K. Okay, let's continue. Put this on the side. We can remove this one. Oops, not everything. Just this one. Seems it's not broken apart, so I have to do it like that. Okay. Awesome. Glad to hear that. Let me know if I can help with you to engage more around the project as well. 1,000 lines, they report 1,000 lines, so that's good. Let's continue. And then this one, 22K, and we get 22K as well, so that's good. And then this one, 2.3K, we have 2.3K as well. That's good as well. TED Talks, let's go up there. TED Talks 86.3, we have 86.3, so that's good. TED Talks, this one is 0.8 million, 0.1 million. Here we have a bit more, not gonna complain. Open subtitles, we have 37.5 being reported here, and we got 35 million. So that's a big, in absolute terms, big difference. We did download the Moses file because there is no way to do this any other way. We just open subtitles. Big absolute discrepancy. They reported 37 mil, but we have 35 mil. We downloaded through Moses, the Moses file from their website because the Opus tool is incredibly inefficient for bigger data sets, as they also noted in GitHub issues. Okay, let's go. So 35, and they say 37.5, actually even more. So they have 37.5. Oh, we have around 34.1 or something. Okay. Let's go. Move this on the side. We are almost done with Croatian, guys. This was a hell of analysis over the last day. This is good. 0.5K, that's it. Let's go. This one, 1.1K. This one, 2.3 mil, that's it. Then we've got this one, 2K, that's good. Two more left. $18.5K, that's good. That's a weird name of a dataset, Croatian ass. I'm not sure what's up with that. Mozilla 62.8, that's it. Guys, we're good. We are good. So, I have all of the whole analysis up here with the notes, all 87 datasets. A couple of them are messed up. Some of them have discrepancies between what's reported, but that's not our issue. Let's continue. Let's go to Bosnian. Let's see what else we've got. Put this. These notes should go here. Okay. For Bosnian, how many do we have? How many data sets do we have? Let's go to download. Oops, this is the wrong repo. Let's go to this one, and let's go to download Opus. Okay, for Opus, set BS here, and see the number of files. So run this. Corporal list has how many elements? Length 19. Let's just print it out as a string. Let's see what we are missing. Copy, paste here, CC aligned, we have it. I think we've done an analysis there. Let me see this one. We're done with this one. What about this one? Okay, with this one we don't have it yet. To do. And then what else we have? This one we've done. EU bookshop. EU bookshop. It doesn't matter. The search is not. It doesn't have to be exact. As long as it's a substring, we can find it, right? But thanks for letting me know. Valuable. Mozilla. That's it. Cat Talks. That's it. NLLB. Only here. NLLB. I think that's the last one. Because we said we have 19, right? Was that the number? And then there is the open subtitles. Well, actually, apparently we have more. I might have missed something. Let's see. Oops. Okay, delete this. That. QED. Done. Set times done. Cancel done. .web done. This one is done as well. Ubuntu. Wikimetrics. Wikimedia. Awesome. Just delete everything. Okay, so we have, apparently it says 20 there, but here we had 19. So I might have repeated some of them. Let's see which one. Not clear. Let me sort them according to this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why do we have 20? Wait. We should definitely have exactly. Aha. No, what is this? I have a pop-up. Hey, what's up? How am I doing and how can you help me? I'm doing Open NLLB project. If you haven't checked it out yet, come to our Discord and you'll learn more there about it. I can send you the README as well. We're trying to replicate Facebook's work on machine translation models for over 200 languages. That's kind of, in a nutshell, what we're trying to do. And that's just a starting point for us. Oh my god, why is this glitching? Okay. I don't see duplicates so far. Could it be... Oops. What have I missed? I don't see duplicates. No duplicates. Okay. What's up? Excellent. No duplicates. Oh my god. I might have missed this one. Wait. Ah, okay. If you mentioned this one, then I'm just stupid. I missed it out. How can I reset? How can I reset these? This is so annoying. The IDs are so annoying. I'm going to just delete the whole property. Yes, just delete it. And then I'm gonna add it again. Okay, as an ID. Yes. And that's it. No, it still has the... How can I just... Should be 19. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18 is mixing. Okay. So we only have a couple left. NLLB and open subtitles, and then we need to quickly check the number of lines. So let's go NLLB for Bosnian. Let's go and do that. NLLB for Bosnian. Open it up. Here it is, Bosnian. We currently don't have it. But we are soon gonna download it if we don't have it yet. Yes, we don't have it. Okay, let's go to Opus. Open the Bosnian, which is BS. And download NLLB, which has a ton of data, apparently. Download this one into Bosnian. Let's see how much data we have. 4.8 gigabytes for Bosnian. So that's like way more than for Serbian. I wouldn't be surprised if there is a big overlap between Bosnian and Serbian. Okay, hopefully this does not crash along the way. And then we need to download open subtitles. And that's pretty much the main source of data for Bosnian. Everything else is just like a long tail of the distribution. Okay, once we have this one, I'm gonna kick off the next download. And we need to check the number of lines for Bosnian. Let me see. Let me see one thing. Let's close that down. What did we say for Bosnian? Do we have the... Yes, we have the EU bookshop. Next up, we need to take a look at GNOME. And Ubuntu. For Ubuntu, and GNOME. So for GNOME, for Bosnian, it's better to download Moses files. So that's what we're gonna do. This is Bosnian from GNOME 164, and this is the one we get locally. So way smaller. So that's why I'm gonna remove this GNOME. Or let me see, open the containing folder quickly, take these two files and just paste it here. Okay, and then take this one, delete it, take this one, paste in your name. And take this one, delete it, take this one, paste in your name. That's it. So that's GNOME. And then we just delete this GNOME here. And then Ubuntu, what did we say for Ubuntu? Okay, for Ubuntu we just have to download whatever we get. So English 64436, English 64436. So we can just delete this and run with what we have here. And then let me see whether the download is done. It is. We can now unpack this one. Let's quickly unpack it. Extract here. It's going to take a while. 5 gigabytes of compressed data. No language left behind. Yep, that's correct. Listen, the best thing you can do is just join the server here. You'll see a ton about the project here in the Open NLLB channel, and you have the pin post as well. So just check it out, so that I'm not interrupting the stream. Let me see how this is progressing. Still unzipping. It's a big file. Almost done. Nice. Okay, now we can delete this. Can delete this one, and I can go ahead. Well, first rename this one. That's the first thing, and then the second thing is go and download Open Subtitles. Moses NLB data BS. I love the fact that it's called BS. It's just Bosnian BS. 907. I think we're almost done downloading. Okay, we're done. Yes, in the stream description there is Discord link. Thanks, Sergey. Let me see. Are we done here? I think we are. I can just delete this one and then rename this to Open Subtitles. Nice. Delete this. Rename this to Bosnian, and then Latin, as in Latin script, and then English Latin script as well. So that's it. Let me see for NLLB, did I get that right? How many do we have here? 21 folders. 21 means we've overshooted by, I guess, we can just delete these two. And now we have exactly 19, which is the number that we were expecting. Subtitles has almost good format. We need new folder, English Latin, Bosnian Latin, and then paste those in here. And for NLLB, license, scores, and README needs to be deleted. This needs to be renamed. Same as here. And then we need to do what? We need to just lazy. I'm gonna paste the name there. Create a new folder. Just create a new folder. Whoops, cancel. So for you and you, cut those and place them here. And that's it, guys. That's it. We have all 19 data sets. Now the next thing we're gonna do is wrap up the ones that we have under to do, and that's only 2 data sets, NLLB and Open Subtitles. Let's start with Open Subtitles because NLLB might be too big to open. Open Subtitles here, and then English. And open up on the right this, and then here I'm gonna open up English. Okay, perfect. The loner, Serbian. Looking good. 183557. Wait, 813557. 813557. Hey, stop there, Boludas. Okay, that's bad. 562. Hailu. Zdravo, kako si? John Giovanni mogu li sedam, naravno. 568. Giovanni, can you sit? That's good. Okay, what is it? 570. That's bad. 571. All of this is misaligned. Terribly misaligned. Let's see, sometimes it just goes off. 435. Okay, this is good. I saw you. 450. Okay, this is good. Malia delay. 462. The kid's a climber, not very bright. What a translation. Wanna kill me? 474. Yeah, this is the issue. Sometimes it's contextual. In the previous sentence it makes sense, but like when they just chop it off, and when you translate "wanna kill me" as "хочешь ли," that's a bad translation. Mrzim to stranici. Okay, there is some local mess up. 1315748. This is bad translation. 760. My father's retard. 806. That's good. There's some local messiness. 32541. A lot of curses. This isn't a hotel. One. Oh, hotel. Marquis, California. Looking good. 459005. Five two seven 2988. 6126708. All good. 771360. Eight six 37647. 9752505. 1108814. 12414 13187 Okay, fairly good translation, honestly. Surprise. And finally, NLLB. This might be hard. I might have to shard this file first because its size is 5 gigabytes. There's no way I'm gonna open up 5 gigabytes in VS Code. So what we can quickly do is chunk it into pieces into 5 shards. There's just too many lines here. There's like 70 million lines or something like that. Guys, let me just go quickly grab the water, coming in a second. Okay. Go. What's the best way to chunk it up? What better than Python? And NLLB dot, and then what? Bosnian, Latin, and then just repeat this for English. Exactly. And then let's open the Bosnian file and shard it into 5 pieces. So let's see whether Copilot will be smart enough. So if we just reading it might be hard for memory. Well, the question here is, will this work? If it does work, then we can just do something like for I in range 0 through length of lines, and then basically length of lines, actually something like this, and then you can chunk the bash and use args to parallelly chunk the two texts using xargs, and use args to parallelly chunk the two text files. True. If there's multiple ways we can do this. If you have some snippet, yeah, sure, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. I'm more comfortable with Python, so that's why. Yeah, thanks. Let's try. Let me see what I get here. So we open up Bosnian Latin like this. Sounds good. And we write to that file lines from 1 through 1 plus 1 over 5. Will that work? I think it will. It's just a normal txt file basically. Okay, I think this will work already. Let's just try it. So we read the lines and then we chunk them, and we basically grab a portion and we write it into a document here. Let's see whether this works. But like, I definitely would love to see the bash version as well. This might be problematic though. This is a ton of big memory. We don't have to load it into the memory to do this. Luckily, I have a ton of memory, so I can bear it, okay? And then open this one and just dump this. and then rinse and repeat until we finish. Here are they. 5 files. Yes. Yes. Okay, it works. This works, but you let me show me the bash script. I would still appreciate that. Let me just cut this and paste it up there. Bosnian. Okay, and let's do the same thing for English. Let's just do the same thing for English. And I'm gonna dump it here so that we don't have to copy paste. Just do it like this. So we open it up as in a read mode again, but this time English file. We read the lines, we go and we dump that to the English chunks into English files in chunks. Okay, just 5 shards. I'm so much more comfortable with Python than I am with Bash, so that's why I would do it like this. Unless it couldn't be done, then I'd have to find a different way. But like it seems it works like this as well, so that's cool. Okay, so we can literally compare them side by side. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So then what's this one? Why do we have, wait, why do we have, or why don't we have the temporary 0 here? Okay, here it is. That's the actual question. Go back here, dump it in here. And open them up one by one. Bosnian, open anyway. 1.5 gigabytes will work in VS Code. Historically it worked. If it doesn't work, then we'll just split into more pieces. Yes. And then English as well. Nice. Let's do it. Close down this one and let's go. So again, this is NLLB. This looks like a timestamp. Okay. 102.1476. Oh my god, this is such a huge file. I moved by a little bit and I'm already skipping million lines. Питам се што веќе кога доктора супругът нема појде јабук. 476. Weird translations. Looks like a very literal translation. 1600313. 313. Another assumption is that gay men may have always had similar or even higher salaries compared to straight men, but most of them hadn't openly talked about blah blah blah. That's the right translation. Weird translation to pick. There is a version for Mac. There's a version for Mac. Okay, that's actually good. 2621795. How is it going for you with the bash? You can always use ChatGPT. That's how I would do it. 808. What you see is what you get. Not a good translation. Nice. Take your time. 3688660. Send it on Discord, by the way. It's a good exercise in any case for both of us. The shoppers are very demanding. Nice. 4891727. I keep on finding the curses. Okay, let's go. 6106146. Переместить высокосья. 7400005. I need you a lot. This is in English as well. 8841405. Well, honey, our sex life hasn't been. This is such a bad translation. It's crazy. Somebody was translating from Bosnian into English, apparently. Destructio prema meni. Destroying for me. Know that God does not exist. Znaj da lako ništa nije skriveno. Super poor translations. 115919359. Yeah, set down. Yeah, rečemo. Oof. Not really good. 128705. 25. 141189181. 150950559. The boat carrying migrants has been drafted in the Atlantic. Okay, well, it is what it is. Close it up. Close it up. Let's go to the next one. Next shard. Open. This is a smaller shard, so should be easier. Ignore, and then English. A bit over 1 gigabyte. That's fine. So let's put this one to right, and then we have English here, and we can start. What is postpartum depression? Two, 31598. Three 1099820. Okay, looks like a good translation with some Greek alphabet inside. Sprinkle in a little bit of Greek. 5357047. Seven 4799437. 9272685. One 1281564. Wrong gender. The girl is on the rise. That's male. There will be boys in the rise. 126888926. 147545561. Okay, I think this was a bit better. Next up, one file, apparently less than gigabyte because it did not complain, and the second one. And then we have 3 more shards and we're done with Bosnian. We're almost done with Bosnian, and then we just need to quickly check some sentences. Okay, English. and Bosnian. These are great people with big hearts. Looking good. 2338041. Okay. 4415031. 6310424. 10282810. 10282801. Someone hold it against me, Testa. Oh my god, like, people are so crazy. 31891. 189. What happens if you don't break your subwoofer? This is bad translation. No worries, try it. 1381251. We do have a sharding logic, by the way, for splitting files in Python already as a part of our data preparation stage. So I can always find that logic, which is really good. But like in Bash, I don't have anything. According to etymology of English language, 1381255. And the last one, yeah, this is just not the best of quality in the world because basically it's mine data. You have my support. I think it's stuck. I tried clicking, but it's not moving. That's because I tried to. Okay, actually it's working now. A view from Chevrolet. Bogan is here. Oh my god, this is like comedy. Treba autopsija, need for autopsy. This is like pure comedy. I literally. Okay. Let's see. 616327. Completely missed it. They're closed. What is it? Wow, so bad. Three, four, six. 351. Three, 5, 2. Oh my god, this is just like a complete mess. Europe has its own central bank and its own currency. Complete mess. Like 0 sense, all of these sentences. 616397. Complete miss. All of these are complete miss. Like I'm literally, I feel sad feeding this data to a model. This is like garbage in, garbage out, classic. 399. There is so much need for high quality data. Formula 1 Grand Prix of Bahrain. Oh my god, complete match. Complete miss. 73856. Everything in this chart, everything is met. Let's see whether they have the same amount of lines. Maybe. Okay. Well. Why don't we... Wait, what's up here? Did I not break it correctly? Wait. This definitely doesn't have the same amount of lines. I should have checked that immediately. What and how? The previous one did have it, right? I didn't notice any issues until this point. $50 million. 806. Same. These are the same, and then all of a sudden, these two are messed up. And then let's see this one. And let's see this one. Why would that be messed up? Okay, complete mess up. And then at the end, okay, something's not all right here. And then super small shard at the end. But these ones are messed up. Why do we have... Okay. Well, either way, we have what we have. It's mine data. We saw what it looks like roughly. Let's just see whether they have the same amount of numbers, same amount of lines, I mean. Let's try and rerun this again. Number of lines should be the same, right? Let's see. Let's see Bosnian. let's go here. I actually have to remove this one temporarily to here. Otherwise this will crash. Let's run this. See the number of lines. Okay, let's see what they say about NLLB. Bosnian 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. Looking good there. Let's print number of lines for files 1 as well. Let's see this. Will this give us the same number of lines for NLLB or not? Yes. At least that much. Okay, that means I had some issue probably just loading the data. Okay. Open up the English path. You can just do something like for path in this. Open up the path. Read the lines. Then go and iterate over the lines. And then open up the current path, temporary, and then depending, let's just grab the whatever the suffix here is, that's what we're gonna end up having here. So grab path, and then split, and then dot, and then just the last, which is the suffix. And then put here maybe string and z field like that. Write that, and that should be it. Okay, let's go. Kick it off. So those two, the penultimate file and the one before that, those were incorrect. Okay. Here is a Bosnian. Okay. And finally, we will have English. Loading, 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 loading. Here it is, English, 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 and English. Done. So let's open up the ones that we were having issues with. It's this one and this one. Now it looks good. I'm not sure what went wrong. 806, 806, let's go. Put this on the right. Let's go. Close this down. One 1056903. 2234205. 3197456. So far looking good. 5050705. 7946797. Looking good. 9833160. here. 11853294. 1383310. Actually good. This one was actually good. So maybe I just had to misalign, so that's why I was rambling. Okay, let's go with this one and with this one. Just split to the right, grab the English one. Let's see. Oh my god, again, not the same numbers. Where does this fail? What happens when this fails? Who knows? Some of these Python functions were definitely not meant to be working with big data. Okay, they actually start from the very same, so we can maybe, I think I've seen some of these sentences already. 8997 746. Okay, this might be misaligned, so there's no point in trying. We went through almost all of it. That's good enough. Okay, so now that we have this, we'll be analyzing data as well later, so that's good. Okay, guys, next up, and we're wrapping up Bosnian, is check the numbers we get versus what they have. 0.3 million, we are like 266. Let's quickly download that one to see if there any difference. Save to Bosnian, yes, and open it up. Bosnian, extract here. Six. That's it. That's the number we got as well. So definitely it's on their side. 204. Yes. 204. Same. Ubuntu has 64K. Ubuntu won't even be here because it's not in the table. Okay, Wiki matrix 0.5 mil, right? Denzel 0.3 mil, a bit less. Let's try and download. Let's just quickly delete these two and then download Denzel. Just save it there and then extract it and then just open it up. Hmm. 2.6, even a bit less than what we have. Delete this, and that's it. For Tanzil, there is some discrepancy. I'm going to note that. For Tanzil, some discrepancy. Report to 0.3 mil. Found 0.25 M. Both focus tool and website. Let's continue. Next up is this ELRC 3047 0.2K. That's it. Set times 0.1 M. We're a bit more. Bookshop, we downloaded, so it's actually 0.6K. That's good. No, 0.2 mil. Not quite. Not quite. The same number as what we got. So a bit less than what's reported. So for GNOME, 0.6K versus reported. Okay, let's go. CC aligned 0.2 mil, close. TED 11.5, exact. This one 78.8. We actually have 79, so even better. QED 18.5, exactly 18.5. Wikimedia 28.2, that's it. Datoiba should be around 500, 0.5K, that's it. NLLB, that talks should be 6K, that's it. Subtitles 15.2, we have 14, so let's see what's up with that. And finally, Mozilla 46.6 exactly. So subtitles apparently a bit less than what they report, but we did download from the website, so no other option. So let's see, open subtitles. Open subtitles. 15.2 mil reported. We found 14 mil. Okay, fair enough. And that's it. Bosnian and Croatian done. Let's go to Serbian. So let me just show you the notes here. add data script tag when using Cyrillic. Let's wrap this up. How many do we have for Serbian? For Serbian we have run, hit the get files, and we get what? 25. 25 is the expectation. 25 is the expectation. Just a second, guys. Okay. Let's see how many we've got. We have 22 here. So what's missing? I guess a couple of these biggies. So if we open up Serbian, PRS, find the Serbian. We have open subtitles, CC matrix. I'm sure all of those are missing. Open are missing, CC matrix missing, CC align not missing, but NLLB missing. Exactly. So let's add open subtitles. Let's add CC matrix, and let's add NLLB. Okay. Open subtitles, I haven't yet analyzed it. Let's first download it. Let's see how much data we have currently in the directory here. That's Bosnian, Serbian. Okay, let's open this up. Let's delete all these downloads. Just clean my trash. There's a ton of stuff we don't need anymore. Okay, let's see what is the difference here. Delete this one. Delete this one. Delete this one. And we have 24, which is weird. Something is off. Let's see where and what. Okay, let's just download the data. Let's download NLLB first. Go to data, Serbian, NLLB. Press. And then CC matrix and open subtitles. So CC matrix, nothing interesting there. So let's download it. CC matrix. Download it. Let's wait a bit for it to download. And then we're left with open subtitles. Okay. Open subtitles. This is a smaller file, 1.2 gigs. Okay, almost done. And we're almost done. Let's open this up. NLLB. Extract here. Done. Delete this. Delete this, this, and this. Grab this and this. And go to actual NLLB. Just paste it here. And then we can just delete this. And then let's do the same for open subtitles. Extract here. And then I think we can actually just name it open subtitles. Yes. Oops. Okay, I messed it up because I tried to rename while it was still being extracted. So let's just wait for it to extract. And once that's done, that would fail. In Windows, you would get blocked. You can't rename while the operation is in progress. Here it didn't get blocked, it just handled it. Weird. Open subtitles. Exactly. Run here. Grab this. Create a new folder. Place this here. Okay, so that's that one, and then we're left with CC matrix. Extract here. Let's wait for this extraction to complete. Okay. Delete it. Remove all of this. Grab these. Place them here. Delete this. Last step. Okay. I'm gonna just put Serbian Cyrillic everywhere, even though that's not true. CC matrix, NLLB, Latin, Serbian Cyrillic. Here. And here. Okay. done. We should have 25 in total here, exactly. 25 is the number we were expecting based off of the numbers we got. Fair sec, again, this list should be 25, okay. So now, let's just wrap up the analysis of the leftover data sets. So these three we still haven't reviewed. Let's quickly skim through these three. Stop this. Serbian CC matrix. Try and open 1.7 gigs. Hopefully it works. And Cyrillic as well. Oh, this might be a bit harder. 2.3 gigs. Maybe VS Code just became much better at this, apparently. VS Code is an amazing editor. And then and then it crashed. It hurt me. You're never supposed to say anything nice to your computer. Let's go with open subtitles. This is fine. 1.36 we should be able to handle. And then this as well. Open subtitles. Come on, you can do it. Place this on the right. And let's go. At dawn on spring day 1528. Afterwards mine 172.16.16. No, it might work. 62. 5164838. Okay, that's actually fairly decent. Long time no see. Hey David, how are you doing? I didn't see your message. Sorry, I was just doing some stuff and covered my live chat. Going great. 7570033. We're wrapping up all the data initial analysis. 7570033. So black people. Okay, let's go. 148.109.09. Looking good. How are you doing? 0887175. You're off. Coming dollars looking good. She had 60 real days. 243.55707. 243.55707. Completely missed it. Two, 4, 3, 5, 9. Okay, definitely seems something is messy here. You heard her move. Every now and then it's completely messed up. 243.758.758. It's okay, 782. Yeah, every now and then those local misalignments. 295.45.843. 843. Bicho Soreto. Okay, 326.59943. 359.00607 and end. Ne želim te tjerat, ali koliko želiš čekati da dobijemo djecu? Oh my god. You've done it. Nice. Nice. Paste it inside of Discord and in the channel, in the Open NLLB channel, and test it out. Just test it out on some small piece of text. And then I can try it my own. Okay, this is completely messed up. 9:30. Completely messed up. 9:15. 7:63. Okay, every now and then there are these misalignments. Nice. You pasted it, or not yet. Okay, open subtitles usual. I think just usual. It's aligned. Lots of local misalignments. Okay, cool. CC matrix and NLLB. Let's open up NLLB. Close down this. Open up English. Let's try and open up this. And this. This is gonna fail again. Same as here. All of these are gonna fail unless we chunk them up. Okay, this is a perfect moment to try your script. If it works, we can just use it. If not, then I'll just reuse the code I wrote. Let's see. Requires just small chunking, so exactly. Okay, we open up a special one and we grab from this to this. Let's go. always messes up this part. Okay, let's go. Read English. Right. Right here as well. Okay. Let's see the size. This is now. Okay, let's see for Serbian. Yeah, just open it up. It's fine. Okay. 132 ends with 436. That's good. And then this one. One, 132, 436 as well. Excellent. This works. Okay, English Latin. This one, let's just put it on the side. Let's go. Hi, it's on the server. Nice. I'll check it out. Awesome, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna test it out as soon as let's test it out on the bigger one. Curious how faster this is than Python, because Python takes some time because it's loading. Yours, I assume, is not doing it that way. It's just chunking directly. You can position the pointer. You don't even have to load into memory. Like, I guess there are ways to do it much more efficiently. Okay, let's just quickly skim through this, guys. NLLB, and then we're left with CC matrix, and that's it. Thanks a lot for the code. I'm really looking forward to trying it out. 850. Let's just finish this. 850 142. One 996 7866. Okay. Let's go. 3361098. Jesus loves this world, says this one. My Jesus loves this world. Your Jesus. Personal Jesus. 518-772-65. He returned home without accident. 724-9574. A mix of Cyrillic and Latin on the Serbian side. 844-6049. One 105-71321. 115-39508. 126-25747. And then looking good. Okay. I mean, usual stuff. These are the mine. This is the mine data. a ton of Cyrillic, a ton of Latin. We need to separate those before we start training. Okay, let me just write down the notes. So again, this is aligned. Okay, quality as well, mix of Latin and Cyrillic. The usual stuff. Last one, CC matrix. Well, CC matrix, let's try interesting script. Really looking forward to trying this one out. Let me just grab it. I'm just gonna paste it. Can I just copy it like this? I can. Let's quickly go. Let's quickly go here. Is this Serbian? Yes. Bash script. Chunk like this. And then let me see what you wrote down there. You wrote run sh, paste the above code, give it executable permission, run sh, and then input 1, input 2, output folder. Okay, fair enough. To do that, let me copy the path here. Let's go to the location there. Okay, list. So what's the permission? What's the permission for the script? Currently it's not executable. So let's just change mod for trunk. Let's now try it. It's now executable. And now we can run it as you said. Let's just quickly skim to see what you're doing here. So you're echoing some stuff and then making the directory list lines per chunk. Okay, this is a bit too little. Let's go with million. At least million. Let me see quickly, because I know what my VS Code can take. That's how I'm deciding on this. So roughly, let's take one of the shards we have here. So here we have 13 million. So let's say 12 million is a nice number. So let's put like, this is 12 million. Will it work with 12 million? Let's see. So process chunk, then you grab number of lines, and then number of chunks is total lines plus line per chunk over lines per chunk. So I guess you're just doing some rounding here or what? And then you print stuff, export, process chunk. Do you have to do this? Not sure. And then not sure what SEQ is. And then number of chunks. And then let's see what using 4 processes. Process the chunk into output directory. Show the progress. Okay, I'm not completely sure this will work exactly what we need, but let's try it. I'm not sure what these are. Let's see. So how it's used is we go let me see what I have. If I do it like this, will it work? Yes, 32. Let's go with 32. So let's just try. If you tested it, I think it looks fine. It might, let's see whether it fails or not. But so the first one is CC matrix, and then English, and then the second one is CC matrix, and then Serbian, and then output folder. Can I just put the dot as the current working directory? Will that work? Output directory. Let's try. No such file. Oops, why did I call it run? It's called sh. It's called chunk. Okay. The progress stopped at 0. So I'm not sure what what it has done there, nor we don't have for two languages. Did we ignore one of the two files? Oops. It looks it worked, 12 million, but it only chunked the Serbian, right? Try and chunk the, we need to try and chunk the English as well. It might have, you might have overwritten one over the another. That looks like the possible problem here. But it's super fast, much faster than my implementation, which was in Python, so. But it worked. This one needs some refinement to get it to work. Can you create out? Okay, let's try. Let's try, and let's also part code 32 here. Nope, still just a Serbian text. Try and debug why it's just outputting Serbian text. Let me grab the temporary file. My good old friend. Okay, this is stuck. I probably have too many files opened up. What's going on? Okay, let me know how it's progressing. We can test it again later. Okay, CC matrix. CC matrix. And like this. Run this to chunk the. Let me delete these. Move them to trash, looking good. And here is a English is done, now Serbian. So this is obviously faster, but like it's more interpretable than Bash. That's why I prefer it. And it works, at least for smaller scales, it worked. We had some glitches with the bigger ones. Always a trade-off. And this was much faster to write as well. CC matrix. Let's go check out shard 0. I really love this, by the way. I love when we are interacting like this. You're writing code in parallel and then we're testing. I really love this interaction, so thank you for that. Your enemy has to be poverty 14 messed up. Let's go. 1062659. Elegance is refusal. 2556469. To bi u stvari bilo bio rat, ali sjedno o tome razgovaram. 469. Okay. 5171527. Six two eight two nine two seven two. 7839937. Nine 4777194. Laura, ti ti odgovorio zaista prva je I dalje prva. Oh my god. Bad translation. 107 13011. 122 71546. 6. You will love it, enjoy it, 557. And that's the last one. Okay, that was it. Let's grab the next shard. I'm gonna delete this shard. Grab the English one and grab the Cyrillic. Ignore this and Cyrillic. Let's go. Ignore this. So we are here now with Latin and this one. Okay, look who's that. Let's continue. 661204. Two, three, four, five, six, eight, nine. 4258444. 5541487. 6722202. Lep sunčan dan u Beogradu. Beautiful April sunset in Bologna. And they're mentioning Belgrade. Autumn is. Oh my god. 8107569. Eat like you eat at home. 8107569. Aha. Kako nahraniti ježa kod kuće? How to feed a hedgehog at home. That's how they translated 7569. Eat like you eat at home. Do you ask her for a promise? Aha, this is okay. I'm gonna check out the message in a second. Let me just wrap this up. 913-08-0847. Okay. The witches. That's good. 103-90266. Excuse me. 6183835. Youth in Dalmatia. This should be modest u Dalmaciji, not in Denmark. About the syndrome. Okay, guys, that's it. CC matrix. No special insights there because just run it once more and let me see what you've done. It's working on my machine. That's not the first time I heard that sentence. Grab the names of the files so I double check. You know what's the issue with Bash? You can't step through and debug it nicely. You just have to try stuff. I think you might be messing up here with regexes. I have a different expression. I probably have This might be messing it up or something. Process chunk. Should we call this twice or only once? If you want to process for both files. I'm not sure, I'd have to dig a bit deeper. Can't do it right now, but I'm gonna send you the file names, yes. I'm gonna add you as a open NLLB. Okay, quickly open up this one. Just to skim through the text again. Okay, let's see what are some conclusions here, just skimming it. There is not that much porn, like we've seen the most porn, I think, for CCL line. Combination of Cyrillic, very nice diversity in the length, in the sentence lengths. High variance there. Nice coverage. A lot of duplicates. We're gonna feed this to our model. Okay. Let's go. 25. So we have the initial stuff done there. Okay, awesome. Finish download from Opus. See what data we have under Serbo Croatian. Yeah, I'm curious. Before we go to Makoku, curious to see what's up with these other variants of Serbian. For some reason, we have them here. So under Serb, let's find SR. SR, where are you? OP. Okay, here it is. Serbian SRP, and then there is the SR and SRME. I know this one is like super scarce, and it's like GNOME, so that completely sucks. I know that for a fact. So you can ignore that. We use this SR. The SRP is what exactly? The SRP is just a couple of here. Okay, so we can completely ignore all of that. That's fine. That's fine. Finish downloading HPS from Opus. That's completely fine. And then there is the Serbo-Croatian. Okay, that one was. Let's just quickly check what's Serbo-Croatian. What do they have there? How will we find that? Okay, I saw it. SH Serbo-Croatian. Let's see whether there is anything other than that in here. We have the most Serbian among those languages that start with S. Serbian, Swahili, Serbo-Croatian. Let's see what's up with Serbo-Croatian. Okay, apparently 2.5 mil. But DGT, we already have that data, so I'm not sure what they even mean by Serbo-Croatian because that language does not exist anymore. Okay. I think we have this under SR as well. Open up the SR. Yes. Okay. We can just safely ignore all of that. we can ignore srp, sr, was it like this, I think, and sh, Serbo Croatian, much smaller and possibly just duplicates. Nice. We've done this. Run some analysis before we kick off the runs. We'll probably have to do some split between Cyrillic and Latin. Submit the Opus download script. That's gonna be done after this and this one. These are the next steps. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to Makoku. Done. Nice. What was the issue? Just edit your previous code so we don't have to paste too much stuff into the server. Just comment out these two lines. Huh. Can you just edit the one file up there so I can just copy paste without thinking what I need to do? It's gonna be easier, otherwise I might introduce error myself. Okay, nice. Makoku. Let's go here. Corpora. We're looking for Croatian. We're looking for parallel, and we're looking for. Okay, this is additional 2 million sentences, looking nice, that we want to download. Okay, so how do I now download this? Okay, I see it here. Let's just kind of skim through this. Let me just quickly. Did you had an extension that txt? Yeah. I guess you shouldn't assume anything. Just have the file being passed in, and whatever the file name is, we process that. That's the best thing. Coming in a second. Okay, I'm back. Let's try out this one. You changed it, huh? I still see txt here. Or is that the output file name? Yes, it is, chunk file. Copy. Go in here. Chunk. Let's run. Oh, snap, snap, snap. Okay, it seems it's working, but we need to specify the, yeah, we need to specify this, and we need to specify this to like, let's put it like to 10 mil. One, then one more zero, and we don't need, I don't think we need the out anymore. We can just do it like this, I guess. Yes, nice, 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 nice. This is amazing, man. This is very, very cool. I like it better than Python, although for running it, for debugging, God forbid. Nice. Awesome. We can maybe check in the script. We'll see some whether we just delete this. Okay. Why just delete it? Okay. Awesome work. Thanks, it was very fun to do this. Okay, having done that, let's go back to here. This is the last dataset we'll be downloading. Websites. Let's kind of read this quickly. All the crawling process was carried out by the Makoku crawler. Websites containing documents in both target languages were identified and processed using the tool PyTextor. Considerable effort was devoted into cleaning the extracted text to provide a high-quality parallel corpus. This was achieved by removing boilerplate and near duplicated paragraphs and documents that are not in one of the targeted languages. Okay. The corpus is available in 3 formats: 2 sentence level formats, TXT and TMX, and a document level TXT format. The following metadata is included in both sentence level formats: source and target URLs, paragraph ID, quality score, similarity score. Personal information identification. Okay, a ton of metadata apparently. The document level provides pairs of documents identified to contain parallel data. Okay. Nice. Croatian, English. So these are the three formats. I'm not sure I completely understand what's the difference. This one is twice as 2x bigger than these ones. So let's see again, sentence. I basically want Moses, like that's the, TMX is probably XML. Yeah, TMX is XML based. TXT is a tab separated. I think that's the one we need, and then we just need to split on tabs to get the source and target sentences. But I'm not sure what they mean by document level. Is it like literally pairs of documents identified to contain parallel data? Okay, I think what we want is just TXT. That's all we want. And let's go to Croatian. Let's download it. Let's see how that goes. Okay, a bit slower download for some reason. How is it possible that we are downloading 5 megabytes here, but the speed is 80? What's up here? Maybe it's a bottleneck on their side as well. Yeah, a bit slower to download. Let's see what they have here. Just a curl command to download stored on Clarin. And then just pick one of these. Nice. Let's go back. Or let's just go here. So Croatian, let's go to Bosnian. Parallel. They just have the version 1 for Bosnian. And then they have Ukrainian, Turkish, Spanish, Slovene, Serbian, Montenegrin. 200 sentences. Let's wait for this to download. Okay, let's go for Bosnian. Parallel. And why do we have a ton of different ones here? Because there is Cyrillic version and there is the Latin version. Why would Bosnian be in Cyrillic? In each form, the texts are separated based on the script into 2 files. Okay, let's just download the txt for sentence Cyrillic, and then same here for Latin. Let's download this one. Let's go to Bosnian sentence, and then this one. If we download this, yes. So that was Bosnian, Bulgarian, Croatian. We've done Croatian, Dutch, English. We've done that. Wait, English with what? Okay. Greek, Icelandic, Macedonian, Maltese, Montenegrin, Serbian. That's what we want. Let's go with Serbian. Parallel. And let's go again. Sentence. Download this one. Go to Serbian. Save. Come here to Latin. Sentence level again. TXT. Download. Save. Okay. Is it done? Not yet. A bit slower internet. I usually have faster internet. Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna look like. Let's proceed to the ones that we already downloaded. That's Croatian. Wait, what was this one? What did I download here? And why didn't I delete it? 847. Okay, let's just delete this one. This is okay. Okay, delete this and this. And now we have how many? 86. 86 folders and one item. Okay, this is gzip, so let's just copy the path. Can we just copy the path? No. Okay, then just navigate here, change there, and do gzip. Let's try this. Okay, and we've ended up with this file. Let's go. Again, 96, 86, and 1. Let's go to Croatian. Open anyway, it's just 1.6 gigabytes. It shouldn't crash the VS Code, it should not. But if it does, we have the chunk file. Okay, source URL, target URL, source text, target text, score, hash, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we'll need some minor processing here. Just curious about the different formats. Let me just grab some small one like for Bosnian. Hey, that would be amazing. While I'm doing this, you can create some parser. That would be super cool. I think it's just basically tab separated format. Let me send you the link here. It's simple tab separated format, and we need fields 2 and 3 zero indexing. Preferably Python, but if Bash will also work. I think it's fairly easy to write a Bash script for that as well, like extract fields 2 and 3. I think we had some similar code actually in the first code base. Let's go here to download. I'll leave it up to you, whatever you prefer. Cyrillic document. Let's try. TMX is going to be XML. It's going to be. Let me just check what this document is. And let's go to Bosnian and save it there. Okay, it's already downloaded. It's a very small file. So in Bosnian, we have the document here. Let's navigate there. Copy path. Move there. Gzip. Makoku. PSEN. Let's go with Cyrillic. Let's go with doc. Let's see what this one does. Okay, either way, we'll have to parse it there. Okay, definitely nicer to just play with the sentence one. Can you just copy the first 3 lines? Yes, sir. Give me a second. Let me just find the. Yeah, for sure. Let me just find where did I extract the one for Croatian. I think I already had it open. No worries. I'm gonna paste it inside of the Discord. Although I'll probably be doing the same thing because that's the only thing now I have to do. I have to parse this. Let's do it in parallel. Let's see who's faster. Okay, here is the too long. Let's just let me grab 2 sentences instead. And above is the header. I can't paste it for some reason. Let's just see where we can attach it somehow. Give me a sec. Ah. Here it is. Send you the snippet. Oops. Let me just go and clear up the Bosnian from everything that we don't need. Like this, we don't need this. So how many files we've got? 19, I think that's the expected number. Judging from before. 19. Let me extract all of this. Bosnian. Let's go with Latin. Let's go with Cyrillic. That's it. We've done the same thing for Croatian. And now let's do it for Serbian. Let's just navigate here. Latin. And Cyrillic. Okay. I mean, it should be super fast to do this. We can just... I think I can just reuse this code that I've seen before. It was inside of generate multi, and then they used to do some, okay, sacred blue, not this one, okay, this one, cat, and then grab, and then sort, and then cut the third field, and then basically stream that to the line. I think this can be done, but like again, I'm I'm a Pythonist. I'm just gonna write a simple script here. Parse Makoku. Given an input file like this. Just open up the file. Open the file, read the lines. Drop line 0, it's header, it's a header. And then split using tabs. So I guess we can just go through the lines, and I think I'm just gonna go line in lines and then just split on the tab, like elements, I don't know, line split on the tab. And let me just see whether we have exactly assert that the length of the elements equals, what was the header number? I think it was 6 or 7. Let's see. Make sure we can do some error checking there. So open up this file. Let's see the header information quickly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28 it is. And what we care about, namely, is just source text, which is going to be elements of, I guess, 2, if I recall correctly, and then target elements of 3. And let's just print this and make sure this looks reasonable. Read this, drop the first line, go over the lines, split into elements, 28 exactly, grab the first one, grab the second one, and that's it. I think we're already done if this doesn't fail for the rest of the file. So apparently, why is the third element English? I would have expected a bit different order, like target text. English is target. English is set as target for some reason. From Serbian to English, okay. It doesn't matter really. So I'm gonna open up this, and then I'm gonna say, okay, this is English, and this is the actual target text. Because target will be changing. And so what we now do is keep track of target text. Yes, okay, fair enough. Just save that, and then at the end, why am I being tracked by and then save to source and target files. Let me think for a second. Output folder is going to be wherever the file is, namely out there is the directory of the input file. We just import the OS, and then we do what? We do additionally out there with Makoku, and then we save, and then even more we go to out there, and then we do English Latin. Well, this time it's actually Croatian Latin, and then inside of there make that directory, and then we almost corpus name. It's gonna be corpus name. It's gonna be Makoku, and I'm gonna just use this here, and I'm gonna also use it as the prefix here, and then do the same thing here. Actually, I should have specified the languages, because this is gonna be source length. Let the source be English. Target is gonna be target length Croatian here, and then input file. Okay, that's all now generic. We read blah blah blah. We get the target, and here we want to make it also like this. So source length, and then we have target length. We make a directory, and then we do here source, and then we do target. Okay, this is not generic, and then we save to that file the lines, and we save to this here. Okay, maybe English text should be renamed to source text, and oops, and English texts to source text. Voila, that's it. I think that's everything we need. Run, collect the data, see whether this fails, whether there's any issues in the file. Should be fairly quick after we've read the data. I should have put some progress bar in there, but whatever. Let's go. Output directory is here. Opus Serbian. Really, this is Serbian. Oh, wait. What I should have done is, because I'm starting here with I am starting with Serbian. Okay, I'm actually starting with Serbian. Okay, so that means we need to put it's Latin. So Serbian Latin. It's gonna be the one. Okay. And then, well, let's just create a set of files we care about, right? Here are the input file paths. It's gonna be this one. Okay, and it's gonna be all of the other ones. So this one, and then we need the Cyrillic version. Okay, and then we need Croatian, which is gonna be up here. Copy the path, just paste it in here, and then we want to have Bosnian, which is gonna be here. Copy the path, and then it's gonna be the Cyrillic version of Bosnian. Okay. That's it, and we close the bracket, and then we iterate. We just say for in file paths. We do this, and by doing that, we'll read, drop the lines, split on tabs, collect. Okay, where do we specify these guys, okay, every time before the loop, we just specify a new array, a new list, and that's it. Okay, let me just do quickly import tqdm, and then is this a syntax? Not completely sure, but I'm gonna try. Let's stop here, run. Okay, it failed because how does one use tqdm in a loop? Aha, this is the import. We have from tqdm import tqdm. Nice. Okay, let's go. Nice, it's working. Hit run. We can now watch the progress. Collecting the data. Okay, now we go and create output directory. The first one is going to be Serbian. We join additionally, so we end up with Makoku inside of Serbian. Then we join English, Latin, Serbian, Latin. We make the directory, and here it is. Makoku, wait, where is it? Okay, here. And then join the output file, and then write to that output file the lines, and here as well, and that's it. Nice. Okay, did I make some mistake here? Because I don't see the file. Ah, it's here. It's just big. Okay. Let's wait to open it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What have I done? What have I done? I can't just write the lines like this. I have to write lines. Can we just... I can just join by the new line, but let me see, what does write lines do in Python exactly? It just dumps it as it is, right? Aha. Okay. Fair enough. Let's just do the following. Append strip, and add a new line. Exactly. So now when we join, this should work, right? Except for the last one. Do we want to tab? No, we don't. Yeah. We probably don't care. Okay. This should work. Rerun. Okay. We are done. Creative self. Just clean this. How is it going on your side? Messing with the limiter. Let's see what we get here. Whoops. Why am I? Wait, how can this be? I literally added a new line. Okay, now it's better. Here it is. Here it is. This is the English part, and this is the Serbian part. Nice. Let's just kick this off. I can just let it go and compute its thing. Fairly confident it should work. But let's just double check. We should have two directions here now. For Serbian, I expected two directions. But I did not find that. Why? Because we need to change the source language every time. Okay, I messed up. I messed up with the source language. Let's create tuples here and just specify the languages. So this one is the what? Serbian Latin. This one is what? This one is Serbian Cyrillic. Make it a tuple. This one is what? This one is Croatian Latin. Bosnian Latin, and finally Bosnian Cyrillic. That's it. Why is it complaining? It's complaining for some reason. It's not a tab. How come? Because on my side it worked with tab. This is an error. Why do we have this here? Okay, looking good, looking good. So we go to the file paths and we specify not only the file path but also the target language. And that means we can now freely remove this one and rerun. Stop, run. I have it working for all. When I put 4 spaces, it worked. Interesting. I don't know. I've just set tab here like a escape tab. I think this one handles both cases. Are you running this in Bash? I think Python is just handling that for me. I don't have to think about it. That's the good part. Okay. Let me quickly see what's up. Serbian, Makoku. Here it is, both directions. Nice. Let me just check this one makes sense. Is it Cyrillic? Oh, this is not Cyrillic. Because I didn't open Cyrillic. Cyrillic, yes. Okay. Let's just double check this makes sense. Croatian, this should work. Run and build the Makoku and then just save it there. Nice. Run. And Bosnian. That's it. We are done. let's just double check. Let's go to the data. We're in principle we're done there. Let me just check how did they split into Cyrillic and Latin. Okay, I just asked about how to split between Cyrillic and Latin. I'm not sure whether we can just use Unicode. Okay, let me see what you wrote. Nice. Extract the base name. Extract the... Yeah, now, you know what's the problem? The problem is you have to be a bit more adaptive, because we have a special format. Like, you have to have corpus name and then dot and then the target language, not the txt. So that's gonna be a bit more work there, but you don't have to do it. But for this, Python works perfectly. For the previous one, because of performance, we needed something else, but here Python works perfectly. So extract the second and third columns, zero index, and save them to a separate file. Nice, and then print into here and print into there. Do you end up with a new line? Oh, looks good. Let me put the ARA. This is our mascot for the project, ARA, because of the capacity to mimic the human language. FYI. Okay. Let's quickly analyze Makoku. Let's see the quality. I'm gonna close up everything here. Just close all and close all here as well. And let's go to Bosnian, Latin, English, and Bosnian on here. Okay, let's go and check it. We're making some progress. We almost have all of the data we need. That's cool. Okay. Let me just check my phone. Let's go. All due respect to Hollywood, but top quality football is the biggest blockbuster. Okay. 18724. Okay. 60184. Nine 95015. This is very high quality. They were not lying. 131866. Looking good there. 184545. 226862. 269.18198. Two six nine 198. Okay, the silent tragedy affecting today's children. Fairly good. Yeah, maybe, could be, could very well be. 308349. Three four zero three oh nine. Let's go to the end. Very good translations. Very good translations. Let's go to Cyrillic. And English on the other hand. Perfect gender in all respects. Lol. Supporting development plans. 10149. Two four three seven zero. 40577. 57174. 57174. Very good translation. 71648. 84163. This is the best translation file we've seen. 97086. By far the best. Nice. Amazing. Now, well, depends what you count as a language. If you count Serbian, Croatian, Bosnian, Montenegrin as a language, then I speak, let me see. Then I speak 8 languages. But if you don't count them as 4 languages, then I speak 5. They're the same language basically, so that's why I'm joking. 2 scripts, but like everybody speaks 2. Everybody knows how to read 2 scripts in Serbia at least. Okay, that was amazing. This was super cool quality. Let's go to, so that was Bosnian. Let's go to Croatian. And on the other hand, we have English. Okay, you can book a stay with pets when looking via the online booking system. Okay, let's go. 240646. Struja blizu, voda na 50 metara udaljenosti. Electricity is close and water at 50-meter distance. Oops. 429483, the market conditions. 736967. 15-годишний Clement Jason Michael. My god, this is so good. 1077875. Perfect translation. It's also fun engaging with you on the stream, honestly. 1393720. Koristimo kolarčiće sesije za upravljanje našom uslugom. Nice. Really good. 1595921. There are innumerable universes. Amazing translation. 1854942. Okay. By far the highest quality one. 2110619. Nice. Nice. Awesome. And finally, just close all of these. Close all. And let's go to Serbian. Let's start with Latin, English, Latin, and Serbian Latin script. Split it like this. Okay, we found out that Novak's and Yelena's engagement in child education has inspired you to become a teacher. Nice. 153578. Three 69293. 585004. 7901949. 104209. 1220406. 1465427. This is so freaking good, guys. So, such a good translation. And finally, English and Serbian Cyrillic. The city of Novi Sad hosted a big international forum. Brutal. Brutal. This is just brutal. 59740. President Vučić expressed gratitude for Italy's support for Serbia's. Wow. 124072. Okay, this is a bit of a mistranslation. Fluid particle system translated as multi-phase system, like in the energy sense. How do you call that? Multi-stage power plug or whatnot. Like, I'm not sure what's the terminology. 170364. Serbia's first enterprise accelerator. Nice. I think those guys actually wanted to invest into me. 226572. Narodna skupština je započela zajednički načelni pretres o predlozima. 572. National Assembly commenced a joint debate. Okay. 267926. Cool. Let's continue. 359470. I literally have to write down, I have to ping the person behind this project. It's like they've done such a great job. In a specific way, talent attains a dialectic unity. The project is supported by the Western universities. This is just like mind-boggling. Not sure whether we have him in Discord, but like I have to ping him and tell him. Okay, guys, this was great work. Really good work. Let's just quickly count the number of sentences. Let me just see that. So we have what, 1.5, 1.6 million there. And so roughly 2 million, I think that was the number. For Croatian, we should have more. For Croatian, we have loaded 2.2 mil. Let me see what Makoku says. So for Serbian, we should have 2 mil. That's correct. And for Croatian, we should have 2.2 mil roughly. I took parallel version 2. They said 2 mil. I found 2.2. I'm not gonna complain. This is a Croatian, and then the Bosnian one is less data. We have Bosnian Cyrillic and Bosnian Latin. Let's go here. So here they have 0.4 M, and then here we have 0.5 roughly million. 0.5 mil. Let's see what they've got here. That's it. We are happy with the quality of Makoku. Makoku. That's it. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is submit some of the code I've been developing locally, and then run some analysis and visualizations. I'd also love to to split the data in Opus for Serbian, to split it into Cyrillic and Latin. I'm not sure, like, does Bosnia have Cyrillic as, wait, Bosnian language? I didn't know they have two scripts. Uses both the Latin and Cyrillic as well. Well, we won't really have a ton of data for Bosnian in Cyrillic. We only have Makoku. Okay, so there's gonna be a ton of data work. Let me just see what else. It's one of the things I want to understand. Related. This is processing. Okay. This is some stuff we should do. Okay. Looking good. So we have some more data. The question is, does this overlap? I know that paracrawl does overlap. We do have paracrawl. If I remember correctly, let me go here quickly. So maybe maybe we don't have it for, oh, we don't have it for Serbian as well. Paracrawl. Well, I think we have a ton of data for now. It's more about the quality. Croatian does have paracrawl, if I recall correctly. Croatian definitely seems to be better, more resources than Serbian, which is weird because they don't have as many speakers. They have smaller population. So they have Petar and Bosnian BS. Talks about boxing, but what's boxing facades? Petar. Nope. Okay, so just Croatian. And then there are these other data sets. Okay. Okay, guys. This is it for tonight. It's midnight in Serbia. I'm going to wrap it up. Let me know in Discord what's boxing facades. Maybe not in the Open NLLB channel in general, or just DM me. And let's continue this tomorrow. I have some more stuff to wrap up of the cam, so I'm gonna be wrapping up this stream for now, and see you tomorrow. I want to just let you know that I'll be in China on 17th of September, so that means I'll have a small break from these streams in that period, but then we're gonna pick it up immediately after China trip and continue this good work. It was, by the way, super interesting to collaborate with Interesting here, who is typing stuff in my live chat, and basically, like, let me show you the chat here quickly. You can see it here, hopefully, and we were just going back and forth. He helped me develop a couple of scripts that was useful for chunking especially, and so yeah, that was very cool. I encourage you to engage in the same way as he did. Okay. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good night, evening, day, or morning, wherever you are. And until tomorrow, bye-bye. Cheers.